Hello everyone, my name is Raghu, and in this video I'll be explaining about a simple generative AI application that I've built for the Dell and Nvidia hackathon challenge called the speech to dynamic image converter. So this particular application is just an extension of my previous project, which was a speech to image converter. So basically both of these applications, the final objective is to generate an image from the speech or the audio signal. So let's say, as you can see in the slide, let's say the user says generate an image of a lion in a jungle. The application generates the image, so the corresponding image basically. So it's like a lion in the jungle, as you can see. So the problem is that or a limitation with the speech to this static image converter was that uh, there is no animation in the image that is generated by the application. So as you can see, there is no motion, or there is basically no life into the image that is generated. So what I've done is added a new feature, and I've called this new application as the speech to dynamic image converter. So what it does is it adds motion to the image that is generated. So for example, as you can see, there is motion and a bit of animation to the image that this application generates. So we will see how we can use this particular speech to dynamic image converter. So for that, we need the Nvidia AI workbench. So we have to click on the Nvidia AI workbench, and then we have to choose where this application should be running on. So it can be either remote or local. Since I do not have any remote GPUs, I'll select local. And then once that's done, we can clone the project, and here you can provide the GitHub link for this project, which I have provided in the README file, and then we can click on the clone button. So once that is done, the project starts building automatically, and it takes a couple of minutes to build. So once the build is ready, so it says the build is successful, and then we have to open this application, which is here. You can see on the top right hand corner, which is open voice to dynamic vision. So we can click on that. So once we click on the application, it redirects to the application. Once we click on the open voice to dynamic vision app, it redirects us to the application. So here we can see the input, which can be the audio from the user, and on the right hand side we can get the corresponding image. So let's see how we can test this particular application. So what I'll be doing is I'll say record high resolution image of New York in 4K. And then we need to click on the submit button. So here we can see the application speech to dynamic image converter has generated an image of New York in high resolution. So which is also with also some animations added to it. So besides that, we can also uh, upload audio files to it. So let's say I'm uploading an audio file, and now we have the image of a lion with some animation added to it. So this is basically the speech to dynamic image converter application. So thank you.